Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Paws Airdrop, launch date, price prediction, and Binance listing speculation. The cryptocurrency world is buzzing with excitement over the next big thing in meme coins, $PAWS. A Solana-backed token gearing up for its much-anticipated launch, $PAWS has captured the attention of crypto enthusiasts everywhere. With a massive supply of 100 billion tokens, all eyes are on how this token will perform in the competitive meme coin market. So, what can investors and traders expect when $PAWS finally goes live? Let's dive into the price predictions, market trends, and what the future might hold for this highly anticipated token. What we know so far about $PAWS. The Paws community has dropped some key details about the project that are fueling all the hype. Total supply, 100 billion tokens. Blockchain, built on Solana, $SOL, making it fast and scalable. Launch date, still a mystery, but the speculations are running wild. When will $PAWS launch? The countdown begins. The community has been analyzing every cryptic clue to figure out when $PAWS will officially launch. Some believe the XX, teased in one of their posts, is a nod to March 20th, Roman numeral for 20, while others think it could drop on a Tuesday, March 4th, 11, 18, or 25 are all being discussed as potential launch dates. Regardless of the exact day, it's clear the launch is right around the corner. Where will $PAWS be listed first? The exchange drama. One of the hottest topics is which exchanges will be the first to list $PAWS. While there's no official word yet, rumors are flying that Binance, OKX, Bybit, KuCoin, and MEXC might be at the top of the list. A Binance listing, in particular, could send $PAWS into the stratosphere, bringing massive early adoption. The price prediction. What's next for $PAWS? Let's break down the possible price trajectory for $PAWS post-launch. One of the best comparisons for $PAWS is Hamster Combat, $HMSDR, which launched in the $0.009 to $0.010 range. Since both tokens share a massive 100 billion supply, it's likely that $PAWS will follow a similar path. Short-term price prediction, launch phase. Expected price at launch, $0.009 to $0.010. Short-term price action, expect volatility in the first week. If the hype stays strong, $PAWS could test new resistance levels around $0.012 to $0.015. Key factors driving price: the initial demand from investors, exchange listings, and overall market sentiment. Midterm price prediction, 1 to 3 months after launch. If $PAWS follows the path of $HMSDR, we could see steady growth over the first few months. Projected price, $0.015 to $0.025. Growth catalysts. Continued hype and engagement from the Paws community. Listings on major exchanges like Binance or Bybit. Positive market conditions for altcoins. If the demand stays high, there's even potential for $PAWS to surpass the $0.025 mark, especially if meme coin traders flood in. Long-term price prediction, 6 to 12 months. Looking ahead, the long-term success of $PAWS will depend on a few key factors: its real-world utility, community adoption, and the overall market momentum. Projected price, $0.030 to $0.050. Long-term growth drivers. Major exchange listings increasing liquidity and trading volume.